Hello everyone. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell button so you don't miss any of my future uploads. It really helps the channel grow, and I'd love to have you as part of this community. So please support and subscribe.
Brooklands Park is situated on the seafront road from Worthing to Lancing. Historically, it had a boating lake, ride-on train, and play area. A wide variety of trees and plants grow here. Many birds come here to eat the fruits and nuts on the trees. Improvements are still being made that will hopefully enhance this area to improve the wildlife that lives and visits this location. In spring, many flowers bloom here. A cafe operates adjacent to the park for eating and relaxing. In 2018, the boating lake has been extensively resculptured, and additional habitat has been incorporated, including a small boardwalk. Nice. It looks like it's sleeping well. It must be nice to sleep like this in the water. Let it sleep. There is a beautiful park here for children to enjoy. Many children come here to play every day. attraction of this park is the beautiful lake. Many birds, swans, and ducks swim and frolic in this lake. There are many fish in the lake. Their food is the fish and the small creatures that live in the lake. Many people come here to see them and take pictures. There is a wooden bridge near the lake. You can walk across it and see the lake clearly. You can also see the birds swimming in the lake very close. You won't even notice the time passing by while you're here. The park has a very spacious area. Spending time here in the evenings is a joy to the mind. You can see many sights here that are a feast for the eyes. Many people come to this park every day to have fun, walk, and exercise. This park used to function well in the past. If it is renovated, it is sure that many more visitors will come here. There is a small gym for adults to maintain their health. Thank you all for watching the video. So please don't forget to subscribe.